Okay, my dear students. Hi children, this is Srinivas working as school assistant physical science at Government High School, Sanatnagar Old, Balanagar Mandal, Mechal district. Before entering our lesson, please subscribe our channel to get more and more good videos. Okay, thank you my dear children. Now, we are going to start our lesson with some questions. Okay, my dear children, take any substance. If you divide any substance, we will get molecules. If you divide this molecule, then we will get atoms. And we know in atomic structure, by the division of atom, we will get tiny particles like electrons, protons, neutrons. Okay, here our topic is molecules and atoms. Molecules are more stable than atoms. These are more stable than atoms. Hence, these atoms also try to get stability like molecules. Dear children, molecules are more stable than atoms. So, atoms, they try to get stability like molecules. The question is, when do they get stability? Yes, see my dear children, we know electronic configuration. In outermost orbit, if any atom is having 8 electrons in their outermost orbit, then that atom will get stability. We know in the nature already nearly 110 elements are there. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about classification of elements periodic table. In the periodic table, 18th group, please try to recall 18th group. 18th group is known as zero group. In zero group, what are the elements present? Yes, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These elements are present in zero group, 18th group. Here, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. If you write electronic configuration for them, in their outermost orbit, 8 electrons are there. That means, in the nature, by the birth, all these elements are stable. All these elements are having stability. So, remaining all other elements, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nearly 110 elements are there. Out of 110 elements, 6 elements are stable. So, remaining all other elements, they try to get stability like these elements. So, these elements are called inert gases, inert or noble gases. So, all other elements, they try to get stability like these inert gases, noble gases. Here, small thing. If you take this helium, its atomic number is 2, its configuration is 1s2, in its outermost orbit only 2 electrons are there. But here we have discussed that outermost orbit 8 electrons. So, only for helium it is exempted. So, to get stability, every atom, they try to get 8 electrons in its outermost orbit except hydrogen and helium. Hydrogen try to get 2 electrons like helium. So remaining all other atoms, they try to get 8 electrons in their outermost orbit like this. So when do they get that stability? when do they get 8 electrons in its outermost orbit? Yes, these atoms form chemical bond between them. Chemical bond. So our lesson is chemical bond. When an atom gets stability, oh yes, if 8 electrons are there, how do they get that 8 electrons? By forming chemical bonding between them. So then, what is the definition for chemical bonding? So, the force of attraction between atoms, the force of attraction between atoms in the molecule is called chemical bond. My dear children, this is our lesson, chemical bond. In next lesson, types of chemical bonds with examples we will discuss.